Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Update error 0x8024a203 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix this guys. Go to start menu and type troubleshoot TRO troubleshooter setting. Click other troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update Run. If you have any Windows update issue, it be detected over here. If it's your problem is to close the troubleshooters, and the next step is go to search menu and type CMD. In CMD you click on run as administrator. Click yes. Now check my video description. Copy the first command. Copy it and tap this bar and eject. Right click, eject, paste it. Press enter guys. This process will take some time guys. After finishing this 100%, you go to description of my video and copy the second command. Copy it, tap this bar, eject and paste it. Press enter guys. This process will take some time, at least 10 to 15 minutes. This need to get 100% guys. After finishing this, go and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial definitely worked for you. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys.